I'm Mina.
And I'm Randa.
Today we are making quarantine brownies that are perfect for a date.
And that's going to be a FaceTime date because you can't go out and meet people.
I know, unless you're quarantining
together.
Then it's perfect for date night.
So these brownies are made with whole food ingredients. So yeah, if you enjoy these kinds of videos, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and let's get started.
Also, feel free to comment what you're up to this quarantine season.
We have our Vitamix. Now, you don't actually need a Vitamix. You can also use a food processor to make these brownies.
Those beans are stanky.
No, they're not.
They're ranky stanky.
So this is the secret ingredient in this recipe. It's cannellini beans.
Fiber.
I rinsed and drained these, so we're just gonna add that. We're gonna be adding some bananas. We have so many spotty bananas since this quarantine. And also I noticed it's very, very tough to get enough bananas. Seems like it's a staple food.
Wait, we're not gonna mash them? We're just gonna blend it?
We're gonna blend it. It's gonna be what you
Yo! So how many bananas we got? We got three
very ripe
on
bananas.
the verge of being rank bananas.
You love that word.
Rank counter.
The secret ingredient that's gonna make this delectable is dark maple syrup.
Maple syrup!
So we're adding 3/4 cups of maple syrup.
If you want to add more maple syrup, feel free.
If you want a more liquidy consistency, depending on how you like your brownies.
Can I do something, or am I
Yeah.
here for moral support?
You can do something.
How much vanilla should we do? Like just a splash?
Splash. Just a
Dab!
That's enough. Alright, and now we're gonna blend this all up.
If you want to know more about us, guys, we have
Do you have coffee?
I didn't have coffee.
Oh, cool.
We have a podcast called Somewhat Relatable.
Yeah, where we
post
get more
new
deep.
episodes every Thursday. And if you want to know more about us, like know the juicy juice, we'll link that in the description.
Yes, so what we're doing now is we're adding our mix into a solid bowl so we can add the flour.
The great thing is we had this the other night
Well, I had a different variation.
with our quarantine buddies. Oh, not that there's a lot of buddies. There's really just one. Well, I have one and you have one. That's what you're allowed. And it was almost like a chocolate bread.
Yeah. It loses its sweetness a little bit when you
Bake it.
So right here we have some gluten-free baking flour. I'm gonna start with the 1/4 cup. Again, I'm kind of eyeballing this because it depends on what you like, your consistency, you know? Some people like it
We
thick.
like it thick.
Some people like it not as thick.
THICC.
Let's mix that up a bit.
Okay, this is my favorite part. This is the part I want to do. Before we decide if we need more flour, we're gonna add in our cocoa
Powder. This is literally the easiest brownies you can make, and I know how difficult it is to get enough ingredients, especially during this quarantine. Make these guys, tag us on Instagram. Again, I'm all eyeballing it. I'm gonna do around 1/2 cup of chocolate because last time I did 3/4 cups and it was like a lot.
Here we go. Oh, that smells dank. Also, feel free to let us know in the comments who you are more like. Are you more like Nina or more like Randa?
What you mean, like what mood?
I don't know.
Are you in a Nina mood or are you in a Randa
Are you in a
mood?
Nina mood or a Randa mood? You could literally eat this for breakfast,
Yeah?
and it would be a much healthier option than what a lot of
Totally.
people eat.
Honestly, the texture is looking pretty good.
Chocolate bread. This is crazy.
I noticed with brownies they're a little bit more watery, so I think this is the perfect consistency.
And if you
Add
want to
some
make
more.
it taste even better, you could always add some chocolate chips in. All right, just like a pinch, right?
Yeah, screw teaspoons. Boom.
Pinch, pinch, pinch.
That's probably enough.
Here we have a silicone baking tray. We could make a cake out of this.
Good. And the reason we use the silicone baking tray is because you don't have to grease it with oil, basically.
You don't need the butter, and it just pops right out like.
We're gonna try the batter.
Try this.
We're gonna bake these. You having fun there? I can't stop. We're gonna bake these brownies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes.
We got this little baby brownie, and I'm gonna put some PB2 on it. It'll be like a Cliff Bar.
How is it?
It's very good. I think we could bake it a little longer, but Randa likes it like that.